Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to peer under the hood of Google AI Studio and explore some of its advanced features that can empower you to get even more out of your interactions with large language models. We'll look at features that give you fine-grained control over the model output behavior and the models themselves. AI Studio goes beyond simple text generation. You can enable code execution, which allows the model to generate and execute code directly within the environment. This is incredibly useful for tasks like data analysis, script generation, and even automating certain coding tasks. Be mindful of security best practices when using this feature, as it involves executing arbitrary code in a sandbox environment. Do you need reliable, structured output from the model for things like agents or function calling? AI Studio offers a powerful JSON mode that lets you define the model expected output format using a JSON schema. You can literally edit the schema visually within the interface, adding properties and defining their types. This ensures the model's output is consistent and easily parsable by your applications. AI Studio provides flexibility in choosing the model that best suits your needs. You can select from different Gemini and open source Gemma models, each with varying capabilities and strengths. Furthermore, you can customize the model's behavior by adjusting the safety settings. This allows you to control the level of filtering applied to the model's responses, preventing potentially harmful or inappropriate outputs. Beyond the basic settings, AI Studio provides advanced parameters to fine-tune the model's output. You can define a stop sequence to control when the model should stop generating text. You can also adjust output length to specify the desired length of the response. Top K and Top P parameters control the sampling diversity of the model's output, impacting its creativity and its coherence. AI Studio makes it easy to integrate your prompts and settings into your own applications. You can export the code for your prompt, including all of the configured parameters, in multiple programming languages like Python and JavaScript. This allows you to easily replicate your AI Studio workflow elsewhere. You can also generate API keys for programmatic access to the models, enabling seamless integration with your existing systems. As we've seen, Google AI Studio offers a powerful set of advanced features that go beyond basic prompt and response interactions. By mastering these features, you can unlock greater control, flexibility, and efficiency in your AI development workflows. So explore the features, experiment with different settings, and take your AI projects to the next level. Don't forget to check out the resources in the description for more in-depth information and tutorials. Happy coding!